Now color. Now paper. Now put it on paper. Now draw on the paper. There you go. Water. Now color. Get your color. Like this. Now we paint. Now put it in the color. Like this. Round and around and around and around. Now on the paper. Now draw. Yay! Get some red. Red. Now draw.